Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Bitcoin pumped on the supermoon last night, breaking 60,000, which is beautiful. Look at this, my beard making like some kind of aura around my face, which is beautiful. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my $646,000 account, up around $30,000 yesterday or more, which is beautiful. Ethereum technicals and any technicals that you request. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let me know the tickers you want me to analyze in the comments. Let me know which country flag you're from in the comment section below. We've got viewers from all over the world. Now, every day across all the voiceover channels, there's other people that have channels of my videos, but with translated voice. It's around 40,000 viewers per day. So I want to say 40,000 viewers per day per video. So I want to say a big hello to you. I wish you all the best. I wish you the best life. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into Bitcoin. Market pumped yesterday. Uni was up 5%. Pocket 4%, World 4%, Bitcoin 3.3%, total market cap 2.4%, MCRT 2.24%, BNB 2%, Ethereum 1.61%, Doge 1.2%. Beautiful pump in the markets. Bitcoin pumping out on the weekly. We go to the weekly charts first, always, as I teach you in the Crypto Mastercourse. Cup and handle bull flag. These yellow dotted lines are after the halving. And as you can see in 2020, what happened after the halving? What does it mean by halving? Back in 2020, there was per day Bitcoin released was 1,800 Bitcoin per day. After the halving, it was 950 Bitcoin per day for these 4 years. After this yellow line, it became 450 Bitcoin per day released into the network. The halving means the Bitcoin supply distributed to the miners for mining Bitcoin transactions is halved each halving every 4 years. So before here, we had 900 times 2, 1,800 Bitcoin released per day. After the halving here, we had 950 Bitcoin released per day. After this halving in 2024, we have 450 Bitcoin released per day. That's how the halvings work. And again, this is what happened after the last Bitcoin halving. Exactly took 560 days to reach the top. If that top takes place 560 days, we will be reaching the top 27th of October 2025. Each time after the halving to the top, it goes up 280%. If it does it again, the target will be $269,000 per Bitcoin, which is beautiful. We also have cup and handle bull flag. Symmetrical descending wedge breaking out, stochastic turning up, squeeze mob going green. You learn all of this in the Crypto Mastercourse, jamescryptoguru.com, how to set up these charts, how to get these indicators. Crypto Guru bot fired a buy in February 2023 at 20K. It's still a buy now at 60K. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell, did not yet fire a buy the last 3 weeks. Interesting. Weekly volume good, bullish candle last week finished. Let's go closer into the daily. On the daily time frames, Bitcoin is in this big descending triangle. Yesterday it tried to break out. Descending triangle, the way these work, build pressure, break out 70% of the move. So it could pull back one more time, or it can break out right now. We actually broke out last night on the full moon and came back in. Target of this breakout of this descending wedge is the base of the triangle. So this base here, target would be $76,000 for Bitcoin. And let's go closer. Stochastic turning up, volume coming in, massive volume the last for 12 hours. Each of these volume candles is 4-hour period. And you can see in this 4-hour period, Bitcoin, 71,000 Bitcoin was traded. The normal 4-hourly volume is so this candle was 71,000 Bitcoin traded. You can see here on the top left. Normal candles are 11,000 Bitcoin. So there was 60,000 Bitcoin extra per trade. We broke out early of this descending triangle. You see, we broke out early, and that's a confirmation. It could be a breakout and then fail, but we broke out and we're holding. We're holding with volume. So this is a confirmed breakout. We broke out, came back, touched the triangle, held here with volume. Let's see if it pushes out here, if it falls back into the triangle. If it falls back into the triangle, most likely we can pull back to 55,000 before the push out. If it holds here and then confirms with volume, if volume keeps coming in, this is a confirmation, and Bitcoin can pump and start its massive move to 75,000, and then the later move to 72,000, later move to 269,000. This play will start. So safer trade to take, in my opinion, from yesterday was 55,000 taking trade from from the support 55,700, stop loss 55,200, risking $497 to make $49,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. And if you want to take a safer trade, on to catch this potential breakout, sorry, a riskier trade, but to try and catch this potential breakout, it's off the weekly and daily supports, weekly, monthly, daily supports. I would take the trade here. That's where the area of big supports are. Tight stop loss, and same, the bigger, let's move my targets to the bull market, because now I'm going to hold till September. No, I'll still trade the chop, but my goal is to catch the top of the bull market on October 2025. So this trade will be 434 times risk toward every dollar risk, 435 potential gain. I'm risking $497 per Bitcoin with no leverage to make $216,000. Same with this trade. I would take it for, actually, I'll take this shorter trade to 72K. Risk to reward 39 times. Opening this riskier trade 59,000, stop loss 58,600. Take profit 72K, risk to reward 39 times, risking 434 to make 17,000. Those are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. Now I'm going to show you my more than $645,000 account. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath the video, down below underneath the video, sign up to Bybit. It's my favorite exchange for trading, and now you get a $60,000 bonus when you meet all their trading requirements. Bybit is the best exchange for trading, for low fees, for great liquidity. It's the second biggest exchange in the world. Take the crypto master course so you learn all this. And if Bybit is blocked in your country, everyone, message your local representatives, your local politicians. Just Google, how do I message my local politician in my city? Message them, tell them you want access to crypto, you want to trade crypto. Take the crypto master course to learn all this, get the charts, learn how to set up all the bots, and then join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you in Telegram, a few hundred of you any one time online. My Bybit account is now 645,000. This week it went from 611 to 649. Yesterday it went all the way down to 613 and then back to 649. So I'm still up 611 to 645. I'm up $34,000 this week while I'm spending from this card, and I spend from my Bybit card a lot. This is my Bybit card. You can see I can directly spend my USDT. I can pay with USDT, Bitcoin, etc. from my card. I've got cashback 730 euro on my point. I've got 6,700 euro in here, which is just connected to my funding. So I can just move funding money in here and I can use the card however I want. And these are my spent. This is how much I've spent from the card. This year I've spent 24,000 euro and I've withdrawn ATM 5,000 euro. So from this card, I have spent 30-something thousand euro, plus I've withdrawn a few $100,000 from this account to seed invest. So this account is quite almost all-time high. It was at $150,000 I started this account less than 1 year ago. It reached a peak of 920,000 in March at the top of the bull run. I've withdrawn a few $100,000 and spent from here, but now I'm sitting at around 645K, which is beautiful. This is my Bitcoin trade, and this is me being a chartist. This is when I saw an artist, but chartist. This is when I sold Bitcoin at 64K, when I bought Bitcoin at 57, 56, bought the dips exactly 53, and now we're at 60K. Funding fees slightly positive, but I'm paying very little fees right now. This is my Bitcoin trade, 7.5 Bitcoin. Yesterday it went from, the last few weeks, it's been 20K, negative 30K, 3 days ago, positive 20K. Yesterday it was 1,000 profit. Now it's back to $20,000 in profit. It's 7.5 Bitcoin, total value 430,000. And I'm sometimes getting paid and sometimes paying fees, but the funding fee is quite low. So I've had this trade open for almost a month. I paid $600 total fees on a $430,000 trade, and I've made $20,000 profit, which is beautiful. This is the breakdown of my assets. So you can see here where I bought Bitcoin in spot as well. So you can see where I sold Bitcoin, where I bought Bitcoin, and I bought like near the bottom. And you can see the breakdown of my assets. I've been buying a lot of altcoins down here. I'm US Bitcoin 18%, 1.66 in spot Bitcoin, 30% USDT, 161K, Doge 18%, 96,000 Doge, 964,000 Doge, MCRT 14%, 885 million MCRT. I've been accumulating more, but you have to do your own due diligence, everyone. Uniswap 8.5%, Ethereum 6.8%. This account 645,000. This trade 20,000, which is beautiful. Let's do Ethereum. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum, little bit of a pump yesterday. It was mainly on Bitcoin. We went from 2,200, 2,400, almost back. I would keep the same trade, 2155, stop loss 2065, and take profit. The breakout of this massive descending triangle on Ethereum that's also playing out, or you could say descending triangle or descending wedge, but I would say triangle. Target 4,700, risk to reward 28 times, risking $90 per Ethereum to make $2,570 per Ethereum. That's the trade I'll take on Ethereum. Let's go into, I want to see the total market cap, see what it's saying. Ethereum looks like it's ready to pump. Bitcoin looks like it's ready to pump. Total market cap, symmetrical triangle, building pressure, as I teach you in the crypto master course, stock guru master course, builds pressure. Base of the triangle is the breakout target. Target would be 3 trillion. Oh, wait, no, that's for the bigger bull flag. If we measure the triangle, breakout target would be, almost 3 trillion, 2.9 trillion, which will be beautiful. So it looks like crypto is about to have a huge move, everyone. So get ready. Let's look at some of your questions. One exchange, this is called skill. You mastered the market. Congratulations. That's when I showed the chartist. 3 dips, 5th of July, 5th of August, 5th of September. You got huge profit, 3 months. Crazy. Thank you, Sound. Damn, in USDT means Bitcoin is going to pump. Yep. Demand in USDT. Hey James, love the videos. What other alts would you suggest to replace Jupiter? You can see my portfolio and what I'm buying, but everyone, you have to do your own due diligence. I've seed invested and invested in a lot of, I own all these projects, invested in them. These are what I'm holding, which is beautiful. Thank you for the question, Jev. You're a great trader from Ukraine. Thank you, Marka. WorldCoin, pleased. Okay, let's see if there's more requests. Awesome, man. Thank you very much for all the time and info. You're welcome, Alex. Hi, James. I've been watching you for years. You're amazing. Thinking investing in trading course. Can you please elaborate in the course offers? What will we learn? The benefits? Hope to hear from you soon. You'll learn trading, technical analysis, how to get the bots, 12 hours of lessons on technical analysis. You'll join 10,000 other students. You'll have tests, and you'll learn everything that I'm doing. It's the best. It's only $300, and it will save you. You'll spend much more than $300 learning lessons that I've already learned and that you can just watch from my videos of 24 years of experience. It's the best $300 that you'll ever spend. And if you think I care about that $300 that I'm telling you to buy the course, it's for your benefit. This is my real live trading account connected to my real debit card. And you can see my profits, for example, 20,000 on this trade, 646 in this account. So you can see the benefits of $300. Gap at 53 to 54, beautiful. Hello, beautiful profit. Hello, that was before Bitcoin pumped. He thought I was in the negative because my trade went down, then Bitcoin pumped, IBT. Pressure is created, pressure down, and you go out. Hello, no fixation, not out, IBT again. You're fighting, but Bitcoin trade $20,000 in the profits. Maybe you want to message and say, oh shit, you were right. It would be nice. Could the triangle break down? Unlikely. Descending triangles break up. It's pointed up every time. It's straight 40%. Thank you for doing Doge this time. I value your opinion. Thank you, Dom. One exchange even asked for my marriage certificate. Like what? James, make sure you're taking care of yourself, buddy. Make sure you're drinking enough water. Cheers. Thank you, Allison. A lot of they're cracking down on crypto. That's why it's not the exchange's fault. Bybit doesn't want to crack down. They don't want to ask everyone for info. Wise doesn't want to crack down. It's the government's cracking down on crypto. So what you need to do is message your local MPs, your politicians, and tell them you want crypto in your country. You want to use the second biggest exchange in the world. You want to use Binance and Bybit. You want to use debit cards with crypto. You want to use crypto. Freedom, everyone. I love when you talk about the commandments of God. Thank you, Sebastian. Good morning, Guru. Bitcoin goes up and down inside of expanding bull downtrend. If it can drop to 48, then grows to 68. God doesn't prohibit you from protecting your own country, your freedom, and yourself. There is no... You're born into the world. Countries and lands are made up by men. Never kill anyone for any reason, especially not in your pretend defense of some imaginary line someone 400 years ago drew. Move if there's war. If there's a big fire in the forest, you don't run into the fire and try to fight it. You run away from the fire. You go away from the fire. James, found you love your skills. I feel so much weirdness. Bitcoin, BlackRock are destroying crypto, so us normies can't get ahead. It's all changed. We were in before BlackRock, but yes, now the big boys are in here, the big exchanges, but that means there's a lot of money that's coming in, billions and billions of money per day. That's irrelevant. All markets are dumping ahead of FOMOC. Nothing to do. FOMOC is today, everyone. So in about 12 hours, I'm not sure exactly how many hours, but 12 plus hours, the FOMOC meeting, Jerome Powell will come and one man will speak and it will determine the the free capital markets. How stupid is that? Free capital markets, we're apparently a capitalist society, but one man will stand on stage and affect the entire world's markets with just one word. So it's not free capitalist markets, everyone, it's socialism. And that's why you're feeling all this pain, all these wars around the world, all this inflation, because free capitalist markets, which got us here, instead if you look at and they're taking it over with communism and socialism. That's why defend Elon Musk, defend Trump at all costs, everyone. If you want your society to continue, if you want life to be beautiful, defend freedom, defend capitalism at all costs. Entrepreneurs, Trump, these are people that care about you. Socialism and communism will lead to a very, very bad world, and you're seeing that right now in the world. What you're seeing right now in the world is Harris and Biden and communism and socialism everywhere. That's what you're seeing right now in the world. That's why you need to defend capitalism and free capitalist markets. James, thou shalt not murder. It's thou shalt not kill in the Bible. War fighters are not murderers. Love is the answer. War fighters are murderers. God does it. When you stand before God and you go in front of him judging your soul on the life that you lived, you can't say I killed a child, or I killed a person, or I killed a man, or I killed a woman, or I killed my brother, or I killed my family because I was defending some line, or some politician told me, or some moron told me to go kill someone. If you kill anyone for any reason, you are a murderer in the eyes of God. You kill. The first commandment of God is do not kill. It's not a question. It's 3 days holiday and Krilla usually drops. Please do World and Doge. 2 requests for World. Let's do it. Sorry, I get caught up with that. It's just, for me, very obvious. Any reason you harm or kill anyone, you go to hell. It's not a question. There is no justification for killing your own soul or killing God. World looks like a massive descending triangle. It's finding support here on the weekly. I wanted to go long from $1.20. We came to a low of... We're in this descending triangle, much more clear when you zoom in. You see how you start off on the longer term time frames and you zoom in as I teach you in the courses. Descending wedge builds pressure. It's a descending wedge, everyone. Ready to break out, but it could pull back to $1.20 would be the time to catch it. The base of the wedge would be the target. Descending triangle, I would say $2.10 would be the target, but I would try and take it from $1.20 if possible. That's my updates in the market, everyone. Again, all the courses down below, the lessons, everything. And you can see some of the comments from some of my students. Some of my students, you can see their comments and just things that I'm sharing. And you can see some of... your channel is the best I've ever seen. People's best interests at heart, financially, spiritually, and emotionally. I'm going to continue promoting your channel to everyone. Thank you, Elizabeth. Greetings from Sweden. Bought a Ferrari 430 Scadio from following your gains from your channel. I love to invest, but you have to take profits and live your life as well. Awesome head. Bought Ferrari 430 Scadio. It's beautiful. And you can just see many, many people commenting like this. Bought your course a few months back, took some profits and bought a new Harley Davidson Roan King. And I love that I get to help all of you. Over in Telegram as well, there's 159 of you online. And you can just see everyone's questions. Here's someone. Why isn't Mr. James booking profit stonks? I'm getting ready for a massive bull run and the 560-day countdown to the October 2025 280% gain, 250K target of Bitcoin. But you have to do your own due diligence, everyone. This is what I'm doing. And you can just see 159 of you trading online, 4,100 in just this chat. And I want you to know that this is one of the most highly regulated, moderated Telegram chats. Bitcoin up 50%, but don't click links, don't send anyone any money. 250%. People just making massive gains. Congratulations in the chat. I'll keep it at that. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.